All right, it's now time to review trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange Limited, and joining me via phone is an economy and capital market analyst, Rotimi Fakayejo. Thank you very much for joining us at this point. Now, take us through the trading activities today. What are the factors responsible for the profits and loss that we've experienced so far?
The trading ended today positive with the offshore index and the market capitalization rising or improving by 0.36%. This can be attributed to what we saw in the share pricing of Aradel and some banking stocks. So the kind of downward trend was seen earlier in the week is being nipped in the bud, and we are seeing a new situation whereby the market is responding positively to the happenings within the environment. And more so for the fact that we're getting close to the end of the year, and we know fully well that the offshore index has exceeded over 100,000 basis points this year, and I think we are going back to that level again.
Oh, okay. So looking at everything now, what are these factors responsible for all of this?
Well, I think the resilience, the market, and the undying hope that Nigerians have is definitely responsible for the flip-flop movement in the prices of stocks and the offshore index. So I think for now, everybody believes that things will get better. That hope is not dying, and day after day, we've seen the light at the end of the tunnel, though the tunnel still seems very far. But I think it's just resilience and hope of a good financial year ending for most of the quoted stocks that is actually reverberating the movement we are seeing in the market.
All right, economics and capital market analyst Rotimi Fakayejo, thank you so much for giving us your discussion, your response to the questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Asia Pacific equity markets were mixed today as investors weighed the implications of a Donald Trump presidency, while also eyeing monetary policy decisions from the U.S. Federal Reserve and other major central banks later in the day. The mixed reaction for Asian stocks was underscored in Japan as the tech-heavy Nikkei reversed initial gains to be down 0.44%, while the broader TOPIX remained up 0.88% elsewhere. South Korea's Kospi edged down 0.14%, while Australia's equity benchmark slipped 0.24%, hurt by weakness in gold stocks after bullion slumped against a strengthening dollar. Chinese markets, which lost ground on Wednesday due to the likelihood of higher tariffs under another Trump presidency, rebounded in the latest session. Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 0.49%, and mainland blue chips added 0.14%. U.S. stock futures were overall flat to slightly higher today. Pan-European stock 50 futures edged down 0.04%, although German DAX futures added 0.1%, following a 1.1 slide on Wednesday. Well, oil prices rose today following a sell-off triggered by the U.S. presidential election as risk to oil supply from Trump presidency and a hurricane building in the Gulf Coast outweighed a stronger U.S. dollar and higher inventories. U.S. West Texas Intermediate rose to sell at $71.88 per barrel, an uptake of 0.27%. Brent crude futures also experienced an upward price review of 0.39% to sell at $75.21 per barrel. Bonnie Light sells at $78.62 per barrel with a downward price review of 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, crude oil dealers offer $74.02 per barrel with an upward price margin of 0.52%. That's it on Business Nigeria. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Theophilus Ilama. You have a great day.